Hey guys, what's up? Happy Saturday. Ugh, look at this. I'm looking a hot mess. Hey, that's okay. That's all right. I don't mind if you don't mind. Um, it is Saturday and I'm still at the store. We're still open. I don't know what time it is. Oh, it's about a quarter after 5 p.m. But guys, hey, let me do something real quick on my growth tools here. Dun, 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 dun. Start spreading the news. We're going to change this post. We're going to click that one. We're going to save. And activate. Okay. Commenting on this live may result in a message from our bot, Bruno. Bruno. Anyhow, hey guys, what's up? So I thought while I'm at the store, I wanted to make up a couple things really quick for the fall. And so I thought, why not see if y'all wanted to hang out with me real quick to show you some really quick swags that you can put together. Somebody talking? Using just a few products. And I love the way they look. So I'm going to grab one of my carts here and put my stand on there so that I can get you guys in a better position so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So bear with me while I move you. Bam. Get you more of a front and center view. Hi guys, welcome. Thanks for stopping in. I want to show you what I'm going to be using here. So I'm going to be using this, and this is a Twig Swag brand, a Twig Swag. That's what it is. It's Twiggy. It's Twiggy, y'all. Get Twiggy with it. Nah. I'm also going to be using this Fall Swag, which I absolutely love. So these are all available on watermansloft.com, just so you guys know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and I'm going to spread this out just a little bit. Now, I don't want to spread it out too terribly much because what my plans and my thoughts are, yeah, I don't need it really full looking. Let's see here. I got a leaf that's glued to a pumpkin that is not going to work in my favor. So, all right, looky here, guys. I'm thinking I can take this swag and attach this pumpkin swag to it. Let me show you what this looks like here in just a second, y'all. Look at this. That is fantastic. I just love the look of this. I absolutely love the look at this. Super simple to do, super easy to do. I'm going to take some wire and I'm going to wire this on because I want to see what it really looks like, y'all. So, make sure you're sharing. Sharing is caring. I know, yes. What's up? Y'all, super simple. We also have this twig teardrop in our website, on our website. All right, now that I got it wired there, I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna wire it right here in the center as well, under this pumpkin. And I'm just gonna poke it on through to the back. That's the night that the lights went out in Georgia. Chris is turning out lights, y'all, flipping them. And I'm going to wire it on there. Hey, y'all. Thank you, Susan. Thanks, y'all. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right. So let me go ahead and cut this wire off. Perfect. Got that wire down. Look. Look how simple that is. It's very simple. I'm going to show it to you hanging here shortly, y'all. So bear with me a minute. So I'm just going to move some stuff around the way I want it. All right. So now I got it the way I kind of want it. It looks really good. and I'm loving it, I am going to take this. Isn't this fabulous? Yeah, it is. Y'all, I'm going to take this off my website so nobody can purchase it. All right, this ribbon, anyhow. All right, let's cut this open. I'm gonna use my bow maker. Hey, Chris, is my bow genius in there? Or did I take it? I probably took it upstairs. Let me grab this. All right. So, y'all, we're gonna take this and I'm gonna do about a 16-inch tail. Hey guys, what's up? Yes, Debbie, store use ribbon. So, and I am going to do, y'all, I'm going to do 7 loops, all at about 6 inches. I might, yeah, 7 is good. One for the money, 2 for the show. Oh, the Bow Genius. It's a bow maker. Mine's upstairs. I took it upstairs and I forgot to grab it, y'all. I was going to show y'all. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. There is 7. Now, I think, you know what? I think I'm only going to do 6 because, and I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to add a 7th one, but I want my pumpkins to hang correct. So I'm going to do my ribbon correctly. Right? Bam. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. I'll fix that. All right. Can you guys see okay? I'm going to pull this on up. I'm going to get my wire in here. Pull it up. Twist it. Pull it really, 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 really tight. Like really tight. And turn it so that it holds it while I take it out here. I'm gonna pull this around to the back, put my fingers in there, pull it really tight, and twist it again. Just so that I know it's good, it's tight, my pumpkins hang the right direction. Hey Christine, hey Becky Jones. I love this ribbon, y'all, love it. And then I am going to just start fluffing my bow out. Yes, sir?
How many cameras do you have?
5.
Okay.
Why?
I thought there were 6.
I don't think so. I could be wrong, though. All right. Gonna pull my swag up over here that I got going on, and I'm going to tie this bow on there. Now I want my ribbons to go down through there like so. Now I can adjust my bow to however I choose, my liking. Hold this up, and I want to adjust this to where I want it. Y'all, very, very, very simple. Now, I will probably hook that in there. No, I probably won't. I think I'm just going to roll them. Let's roll them up. Let's roll them up, y'all. Because I love a rolled tail. It don't have to be like hugely rolled. And I want it literally just like that. Y'all, look at this swag. Now, let me get it on the door, and then I'm going to take you over to the door and show you, okay? So give me 2 seconds, because I want you guys to get a good view of it. Hang on now. I'm going to pull you guys out and move you, because I want you to get a good view of it. Look at that. That is a fantastic, quick, easy fall swag. Hey, Cindy. Thank y'all so much. Oh, thank y'all. Isn't that fantastic? It looks really good. It's got this behind it, this twig teardrop. It's got a big old bow on it. It's very simple, very great for a door hanger. What you guys think? Y'all like that? Very quick, very simple, very easy to do. Okay, so I got another one for you. That ain't all I'm doing today, y'all. I got something else.